in Kamakura visiting the Hachimangu Shrine. Hachimangu Shrine. There's so many shrines and temples in Kamakura. Definitely have to come if you're visiting Tokyo. It's only about an hour away. There are lots of beautiful temples and shrines to go to. If I turn around here, this is the main street. It's the end of fall. Soon it will be winter, so lots of leaves off the trees now. It doesn't really snow in Tokyo. Here we are. I'm going to put on my sunglasses. A beautiful bright day today. We got some great pictures. There's some people that will dress up in the costumes, or they come here for a special day, maybe kids' day, graduations, things like that. See, this little girl is all dressed up, very cute, going over the bridge. We can see the map of the area over here. It's coming up. That's the shrine way up there. It's about a 10-minute, 15-minute walk to get up to the top. If you're into the history, of course, you can just Google it, take a look and see. I'm trying to remember what this temple, I've been here a couple of times, is about. So the main buildings of the Tsurugaoka Hachimangu Shrine. This is a typical Edo-style architecture, and it was rebuilt in 1828 by Tokugawa, the 11th shogun of Tokugawa shogunate. The exterior was decorated with beautiful carving and painting. That's the main shrine. Secondary shrine, Wakamiya. This shrine was also built in a typical Edo style. It was rebuilt in 1624 by Hidetada Tokugawa, the second shogun of Tokugawa shogunate, the shoguns. Maiden, the lower worship hall. Throughout a year, the various rituals are held here. It was built on the site of the corridor of Wakamiya, where the legendary famous dancer Shizuka Gozen dedicated her dance. So Yanta was saying that, what do they do here? He's pointing at the New Year's celebration.
They have it here, big celebration.
A big celebration here, he's saying, at this temple. I thought this was for, for school kids and grades. Seems like we've seen it quite a bit here. So they have different ones here. New Year's celebration, Peony Garden, the Bonbori Festival. Obon maybe is around that time in the summer. Annual Grand Ritual, and Yabu-sama, the ritual of horseback archery. Yabu-sama, the ritual of horseback archery. Pretty cool. Ikagura, the sacred dance and music. So, interesting place to be. Where are you? You are here. You are here. I'll zoom out. That's where you are in Kamakura. This is the stage for dance and music as we're approaching the main temple at here at Hachiman. And so this area would have been for dancing, music, things like that. Quite a few tourists here today. Here we go. You can get a nice view of that. And nice, beautiful ginkgo tree there in fall colors, gold colors. And we can see the the barrels here. These are often donated by families or companies. It's a way of donating to the shrine. Used to have sake in them, I believe. And they're not filled with sake now, but they stack them up there. And above the sake bottles, I don't know if you can see it from here, there's some Japanese, or written on the front of the barrel, you might see the donation, who donated it. Makes a nice photo. And scanning over here, we're gonna walk up these steps to the top of the shrine. That's it. So there's the stage behind me. Here's Yanto right behind me too, taking a look. And his love or something. And so we're gonna head up here, up these steps, which go to the temple. There's one guy, he's running up the steps. He's in good shape. Two of them now. I think they're racing. A lot of people stopping and taking a picture of this tree. A lot of school kids on school trips. This guy's calling his students to come on up. I think he's encouraging me. Here I am, climbing the stairs. The view behind me, the tree. It's a good walk. Nice walk. And the temple. Kids dressed up, families coming here for special occasions. Here's a view of that temple, the dance platform there. Beyond that is the main gate, you see down there. Beyond that is the main gate, way down there. And then the main street, one of the main streets in Kamakura. And back to here. Don't mess with that. Don't mess with these security guys. If they say no photo, it means no photo. Live and learn. So we're going to take a little walk around here and just see what's to be seen. Some of the different areas. Now here you can, I think, write a prayer, or you buy one of these over at that counter behind me. And then you write a note here. No scribbling on any facilities. You have to write on these and then hang them up here. So you buy them behind. Let's see what this is. And you can tie like a prayer there, a wish to it, whatever your wish is. Making a wish for, you know, good grades or money or health and different times of the year. I don't know how long they hang up here, how long they stay here, because I'm thinking there's the year of the horse and there's the rabbit. This upcoming year will be the dragon year. So maybe they're selling the dragon now. And you just tie it up here. Oh, interesting. Let me see where you buy them. I wonder where you buy them. Yanto says, here la. Why does he say la? Because he's from Singapore. They say la in Singapore. Oh, here they are. Here they are. Hi. Walking back down the main street, Kamachi Street, to go to a restaurant to get some lunch. At 11 o'clock? Yep. Better start queuing in Japan for lunch at about 11:30 latest, or else you'll be standing online a long time. I don't do well standing on lines, so that's what I prefer to do.